Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Zscaler Private Access client on Windows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Zscaler Private Access client on Windows, begin by clicking on the Start menu. In the search bar, type Control Panel and press Enter. Once the Control Panel window opens, locate and select Programs. Next, click on Programs and Features. After it is highlighted, look for the Uninstall option at the top of the window. Click on Uninstall, and a confirmation dialog will appear. Select Yes to confirm that you want to uninstall the program. The uninstallation process will begin. Once it is complete, you may see a prompt to restart your computer. If prompted, choose to restart to ensure all changes take effect. After your computer restarts, check to confirm that Zscaler Private Access has been removed. Open the Start menu again and type Zscaler in the search bar. If no results appear, the uninstallation was successful. If you encounter issues during the uninstallation, consider using the Zscaler removal tool available on their website. This tool can help remove any leftover files or registry entries. For thoroughness, check your program files and app data folders for any remaining Zscaler files. If you find any, delete them manually. Congratulations, you have successfully uninstalled the Zscaler Private Access client from your Windows device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.